In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default currency in HubSpot CRM. Navigating through HubSpot's settings to change the default currency might seem a bit daunting at first, but with this guide, you'll discover that it's actually quite straightforward. Whether you're expanding into new markets or simply need to align your software with your local currency, setting this correctly ensures your financial metrics are as useful as possible. To begin, we need to access the settings in your HubSpot CRM. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once inside, look towards the upper right corner of your navigation panel. You'll notice a small gear icon which represents your account settings. This is our main entry point, so go ahead and click on that. It will direct you to a sprawling menu of options and settings for your CRM. Next, focus your attention on the left side menu. Here, under the Account Defaults section, you'll find an option labeled Account Defaults. Clicking on this option will bring you to a page where general account settings are stored. On this page, look for a tab or section labeled Currency. This is where everything related to financial transactions in different currencies is housed, so it's the perfect place to tailor your CRM to fit your specific needs. Once you're on the currency page, you'll see a few different settings and options available. You're looking for the option that says Add Currency. Click on this to open a dialog that allows you to choose from various currency options around the world. This is especially handy if you're conducting business in multiple countries and need to track and report finances accurately. After clicking Add Currency, you'll see a prompt that invites you to select a currency. Here, a drop-down menu will appear, filled with a comprehensive list of global currencies. Make sure to scroll through carefully and select the one that fits your business operations. After making your selection, confirm your choice, and your default currency will be updated. And there you have it, a newly set default currency in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you ensure that your business operations stay aligned with your financial reporting requirements, offering clarity and precision to all your monetary metrics. This little customization can greatly enhance your reporting accuracy across different markets, or simply fine-tune your system to your local economic standards. Remember these steps whenever you need to make future changes to your business's financial framework in HubSpot. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this tutorial was insightful for tailoring your CRM to better fit your business needs. See you next time.